In today's video, I'm going to show you how to break a line in Affinity Designer. First, select your layer or your object. Next, at the top toolbar, click on Vector and click on Convert to Curves. Now click on the line where you want to break to happen to add a node. And with that node selected, go to the top context toolbar and click on the break curve icon. Instantly, the path splits into two separate endpoints. Now you can move each side independently or delete part of that line. This works for any curve, shape, outline, or pen path. If it's still one object, you can also use separate curves to fully split them into layers. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!